Chief Minister Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy directed the officials to complete the irrigation process in time and to focus on utilizing floodwater being discharged into the sea. There should be no delay in the works of Nellore Barrage, Sangam Barrage, Oak Tunnel to Pula Subbaya, Velugonda Head Regulator Works, Vamsodhara Nagvalli Link, BRR Vamsodhara Project Stage 2, Phase 2 and Polavaram Project, he said while addressing a review meeting on progress of works relating to irrigation projects at his camp office. Gandikota Reservoir should be able to store at least 23 TMC feet of water and the R&R works should be completed along with Chitravati Balancing Reservoir with 10 TMC feet of water. The compensation of farmers has been increased from rupees 6.5 lakh to rupees 10 lakh, he said, and instructed officials to create awareness among the farmers and convince them that the completion of project would benefit them. The official said the work of Nellore Barrage and Sangam Barrage are on fast track mode and the works of Oak Tunnel 2 are ongoing and there is delay in the works as soil reached the tunnel due to seepage. The Chief Minister directed the officials to take the advice of experts committee and complete the project. The work of Tunnel 1 of Palasubaya Velugonda Head Regulator works are completed and Tunnel 2 works will be completed by August 2021 and added that there was delay in the works in this session as water is falling from the mountains of Nallamala forest. The work on Vamsodhara Nagavalli linking would be completed by December, the official said. Only 8.5 kilometers is yet to be completed of the total 33.5 kilometers and the phase 2 works of BRR Vamsodhara project stage 2 would be completed by March 2021, they added. The Chief Minister said Mahendra Tanaya offshore reservoir in Srikakulam district should be completed on priority as this project would provide water to 24,600 acres benefiting 108 villages. The Tarakarama Tirthasagar Reservoir project would be completed by December 2022. The officials informed the Chief Minister once the distribution works of Sardar Gautu Lachanna Totapalli project are completed, water will be provided to 55,000 acres, they said. The officials also say 71% of the works in the Polavaram project related to head works and canals have been completed and the project would be completed by December 2021. The Chief Minister approved the proposal to recruit mechanical and electrical staff required in the department. Minister P. Anil Kumar Yadav, Special Chief Secretary Adityanath Das, Engineer-in-Chief C. Narayan Reddy and several senior officials of the department attended the meeting.